Imagine waking up to YouTube, realizing that there's a bunch of AI generated nudes of yourself online, of you doing things that you would never do, with your face on there, and with a bunch of fake accounts watching you, fake comments, commenting on those videos on miscellaneous corn sites, and you're really shocked about it. I mean, these nude photos have you doing things that you would never do, and they're all over the internet on weird, sketchy sites. Well, it happened to me, and I wanted revenge. Bad. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a story time about how I got down to the bottom of this and got revenge off people that actually did something wrong to me. And yeah, let's get this started. So one day where I'm off TikTok live and I'm just doing my thing, I decided to go in the refrigerator, give myself a couple of snacks. I made myself some chocolate cake, and I want to just have a snack and watch an old Disney film on a site that you're not supposed to watch actually movies on. And it was an illegal site, you know what I mean? Because I'm broke. And sometimes when you watch illegal sites, like streaming sites, you sometimes come across those spammy sites that pop up, and usually it's corn videos. As I was watching The Lion King, I pressed play and then another pop-up came on, and I was like, God dang! Just when I got my chocolate cake and I got my almond milk. So the pop-up came, and the site was Live Jasmine. And then, all of a sudden, I see an AI video of me doing things that I never did, that somebody in their right mind would never do. And I was very, very weirded out about it. I was really shocked, and I was really scared, because I was like, there's no way this person looked like me. And I did a double take on my screen. Because I was like, wait, why does girl look like she got floofy hair? She's wearing nerdy glasses. And she's done got nothing on. And I'm like, who is this? And that scared the living crap out of me. Because who in their right mind would ever do something like that to someone and ruin their reputation? The things that I seen that was connected to my body, it was my face and my hair and my body that was nude, right? And I was like, I would never post something like this. This is not me. And it was like I was doing things that I knew was not humanly possible that I would do. And that's when it dawned on me that this was AI. And somebody deep faked me, and I knew it wasn't me. So in the middle of me watching The Lion King, and that pop-up just came up, I'm looking, and I'm trying to look at this person. I'm I know this isn't me, right? And then I look, and it looks like me, and all I see is creepy, nasty, disgusting comments from men saying that I look like I'm barely 18. And it's disgusting. So I do some digging. I put my chocolate cake on the side of my bed, and I'm doing some digging, and I'm realizing that there's this account, there's 3 accounts that keep on uploading and getting my videos deleted. And I was like, what is this crazy stuff? So I see it, and it's a weird name and a weird profile, and then it's another profile connected, and I seen that it was this short little person Vietnamese guy. And I didn't know what his name was, but it was numbers and stuff like that. So I'm like, who is this guy? So I'm shocked and I'm appalled, and honestly, I'm ready to take action of some sort. And y'all know I don't have that much money for legal action, so I went on Google Flights, and I did a background search on this Vietnamese guy, and I found out his name. I found out his name and everything. and I found out where he lived at as well. So I decided to go to Vietnam and take a Google flight to confront this guy, because nobody has the right to just show myself and undress me when I never gave them consent to ever do that for me. Ever. So I bought a ticket and I went out without telling anybody. And I know it sounds insane to so many people that follow me, but it's like so many times I didn't speak up for myself, like when things happen to me, like guys doing weird things on the bus and stuff like that. So this time I was ready to literally defend myself. Took a round trip flight to Vietnam, and I took the insane route, and then I found the short Vietnamese guy who was actually like reposting my stuff. Found exactly where he was at. It was like a little village, and there was like red leaves and mud everywhere and stuff like that. And like it was like a nice place, but it was like red leaves there. So like, you know, I had on all black. I had on my black t-shirt. I had well, why am I saying a t-shirt? I had my black jumpsuit on. I had my hair out, and of course I had my makeup on because, like, you know, I'm traveling. This is my first time ever doing something like this. And, you know, I point at that guy. I'm like, hey, you. And, he starts running. And then there's people like looking around, and I'm like, what are y'all doing? Like, stop him, stop him. And they're not listening to me because, of course, like I'm a minority, right? So I end up chasing after this guy and running after this guy, and he ran on a motorcycle down this pathway, and it's like muddy and like dirt and stuff like that, and there's like red leaves and green leaves, like it's like he went inside like a street. So I'm like running after this dude because I'm like, ain't no way he's going to get away from this, get away like with doing this for me and messing up my reputation that I'm really trying to like build. Like I'm really taking my time to rebuild my personal brand and stuff like that. So I'm running after this fool, and I'm running and running, and then he stops, and I'm like, hey, can you please stop? Like I'm just trying to have a conversation, and like I'm ready to start fist fighting because I told y'all like I'm an Aries. And I'm not really into zodiacs, but I just want to say, like, I'm a fighter. I'm a fiery type of person. So I'm running. And then I'm like, what's going on? He just disappeared. I try to say something to him, and then he runs. And then all of a sudden, I'm stuck in the mud. There's some dirt in my hair, and everything feels extremely hopeless. And I'm ready to go back home. Like, I just made the worst decision that I ever made in my life. Like, why did I literally go all the way across the country, all the way to Vietnam to, like, you know, get this man? And then, when all hope was lost, I woke up from my dream. I freaking lied to you. I lied.
Hola, soy Pablo.
I woke up from my dream, and yeah, y'all, it was a dream. It was a dream. So y'all, I just dropped some new merchandise, and I made some amazing cute new t-shirts and tumbler cups on my merch shop, which you can check out right now in my YouTube description in the description box below. And if you're interested in supporting me and supporting the channel and supporting the brand that I'm building, then check out my merch shop and enjoy like the t-shirts or tote bags or tumbler cups that you really like. Other than that, enjoy the video. The whole thing, it was a setup. It was a lie. It was all a lie. I'm so sorry. But yes, it was a lie. And but it came true in my mind. And like I hate when I have all of these crazy big dreams, like, you know, when I eat late, because like literally I did make myself some chocolate cake. And every time like I drink chocolate cake, every time I eat chocolate cake, and you know, I eat late. Sometimes I have really crazy dreams that's like a Netflix movie. And it has not happened to me in a long time. Like, I have not had a big crazy dream like that in a long time, because sometimes usually I go to sleep and like I just go to sleep. But yes, it was a dream, and I don't know how like my mind be thinking about all this stuff, and the short Vietnamese man, and he was like nyeh, nyeh, like what the hell's going on? And you know, I actually know a little bit of Vietnamese, like Kayu Tini, Lak the Tini, and I don't know how, like I think that means you're there, I'm here, or something like that. I don't know. But yes, that was a dream. But how do y'all think about this story time? And I'm so sorry for, you know, clickbaiting y'all. I am really not trying to clickbait y'all. But after I woke up from this crazy dream, I was like, this could be a YouTube video, and I can develop this as a YouTube script and like literally do it. But yeah, y'all, I hope I haven't like destroyed our trust. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But yeah. I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Also, another thing I want to say, that like if you want a $100 coupon that help take $100 off your Temu shopping cart, then look in the YouTube description below, because I have a special coupon code for you so that you can be able to buy any type of kitchenware or kitchen utensils or makeup or dresses or anything that you actually want off Temu. Also, I have another coupon code that gives you 30% off your shopping cart when you're on Temu, and that's really amazing because like y'all, like I did this whole look from Temu, and dang, I forgot my earrings. Like, I'm literally clickbaiting everybody, and I forgot to put on my earrings. Dang. But Temu really got your girl covered when it comes to glam, makeup, eyelashes, and everything. So check in the YouTube description below to get coupon codes that help you like shop and get nice things on Temu for extremely dirt cheap or for free. Also, if you're like any struggling American right now that's having a hard time affording groceries and little snacks, or you just want to like go to the movie theater and actually buy yourself some things to go out to eat with, then 5 Surveys actually got you covered, because I have legitimately made $90 in the span of 2 weeks, and literally that's the way that I'm actually coming by these days, because like I'm trying to look for a real job like outside of YouTube, and I'm just trying to get the ball going. I'm just keeping the ball going. And you know, I've been making groceries due to 5 Surveys, and if you actually sign up and go in my YouTube description below and you click the link and make an account and actually like do a survey and get like your first bar on 5 Surveys, then I will make a commission too. So we're all winning, we're all making money, and we're surviving this crazy economy that we're all in right now. Cause like, you know, ain't nobody hiring. What's going on now? But yeah, y'all, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hi, I'm Paul.